what makes this conference stand and be different, more unique, is that it's really focused on the applicabilities and covered a lot of different aspects. So we did not go too heavy on one topic versus the other, but rather we carefully selected areas that we thought are very important and need to be covered. And we were very intentional and selective in picking some of the most SMEs in these topics and covered them from A to Z.
I really enjoy the format of the Land Lakes Conference. It's a small conference setting with a very targeted agenda. I think the organizing committee does a good job selecting what the topic will be each year and then bringing in key subject matter experts in a way that really drives dialogue amongst the conference attendees.
I really enjoyed hearing both about the drug substance and drug product. I thought that we were going to focus more on the formulation side, but I was pleasantly surprised that there was a lot of emphasis on the drug substance, continuous manufacturing, and I was really happy that the whole afternoon was dedicated to the material science subject. It was very dear to my heart. So yeah, I really enjoyed the conference.
And this is a very excellent forum for presenting the work, because the attendants, they all have shared the same interest. You can really have this very high quality discussion also. I can present my work to people who have a genuine interest. Then they ask questions and you have the good discussion.
Networking was great. It's very different than the large conferences I attended. I found networking to be much easier in this small setting. I liked how there were representations from different pharmaceutical companies and academia, as well as regulatory, which I don't really interact with them a lot. So I really liked that. I really liked the panel discussions where we could ask a lot of detailed questions. Half an hour was a really good amount of time, because usually in big conferences we don't get that much time to ask our questions. So I really enjoyed that. And there was a lot of time for networking as well. There were breaks and the reception dinners and such. So overall, it was very good.